We've all been there. You grab a bag of frozen fruit, hoping for a handful of individual pieces, but instead, you wrestle with a solid block of icy fruit. It's enough to make you swear off frozen fruit altogether. But wait, there's a better way, IQF, or individually quick frozen. IQF is a game changer in the frozen food aisle. Instead of freezing food in large blocks, IQF rapidly freezes individual pieces. This means your strawberries remain separate, making them easy to scoop, measure, and enjoy. No more chiseling away at a frozen brick. But IQF is about more than just convenience. This rapid freezing method helps preserve the freshness, flavor, and nutrients of the fruit. And because each strawberry is frozen separately, they freeze faster and more evenly, resulting in a higher quality product. So how do we go from juicy, ripe strawberries in the field to perfectly frozen individual pieces in your freezer? Let's find out. It all starts with selecting the best strawberries, which are then washed and sorted to ensure only the highest quality fruit is used. These strawberries are then flash frozen at extremely low temperatures, locking in their natural goodness. Finally, the individually quick frozen strawberries are packaged and ready to be shipped to your local store, ensuring you get the best product every time. So next time you reach for frozen fruit, remember the magic of IQF, making your life easier and your meals tastier. Our journey begins on the farm, where rows of vibrant red strawberries bask in the sun. But not just any strawberry will do for IQF. Only the ripest, juiciest, and most flavorful berries make the cut. These strawberries are carefully hand-picked, ensuring only the best quality fruit is selected. Pickers look for firm, plump berries with a deep red color and a sweet aroma. Any damaged or overripe strawberries are left behind. Timing is everything when it comes to harvesting strawberries for freezing. Berries need to be picked at the peak of ripeness, when their flavor and sweetness are at their highest. This ensures that the frozen strawberries will have the best possible taste and texture. Once the strawberries are harvested, they are carefully loaded into containers and transported to the processing facility. Here they will begin their transformation from fresh fruit to frozen delights. Before those freshly picked strawberries can be frozen, they need a thorough and good cleaning. Just like you wouldn't want to eat a dirty strawberry, you don't want dirt or debris ending up in your frozen fruit either. The strawberries are first sorted and graded, removing any remaining stems or leaves that might have slipped through the initial inspection process. Then, the real cleaning begins in earnest. The strawberries take a dip in a series of cool water baths, gently tumbling along a conveyor belt for thorough cleaning. This removes any dirt, sand, or other impurities that might be clinging to the surface of the fruit, ensuring they are spotless. After their bath, the strawberries are air-dried to remove excess water, making them ready for the next step. Now they're squeaky clean and ready for the next step, the freezing process to preserve their freshness. This is where the magic of IQF really comes into play, the tunnel freezer. Imagine a giant, super-cooled wind tunnel designed specifically for strawberries. Sounds pretty cool, right? The clean, dry strawberries are spread out on a conveyor belt and slowly fed into the tunnel freezer. Inside, they are met with a blast of Arctic air, rapidly lowering their temperature to well below freezing. This rapid freezing is key to maintaining the strawberries' individual shape and texture. Because the freezing process happens so quickly, large ice crystals don't have time to form. This prevents the strawberries from becoming mushy or clumping together. The strawberries spend about 15 to 20 minutes in the tunnel freezer, emerging on the other side as perfectly frozen, individual pieces of fruit. They're cold, they're solid, but they're not stuck together. Section 5. Bagged and tagged, prepping for the deep freeze. Fresh out of the tunnel freezer, those individually frozen strawberries are ready for packaging. But first, they undergo a quick quality check. Any damaged or imperfectly frozen berries are removed, ensuring that only the best make it to your freezer. The remaining strawberries are then weighed and packaged, usually in resealable bags for easy storage and use. The bags are filled with nitrogen gas to help preserve the strawberries' freshness and prevent freezer burn. Finally, the bags are sealed, labeled, and stacked onto pallets, ready to be shipped to grocery stores and supermarkets near you. From the farm to your freezer, the entire IQF process is designed to deliver the freshest, most flavorful strawberries all year round. Section 6, Beyond the Smoothie, IQF Strawberries in Action. Now that we've explored the ins and outs of how IQF strawberries are made, let's talk about what makes them so great. Sure, they're convenient, but their versatility in the kitchen is where they truly shine. From breakfast to dessert, these strawberries can elevate any dish. First and foremost, IQF strawberries are a smoothie lover's dream. No need to thaw, just toss them straight from the bag into your blender for a burst of fresh strawberry flavor. But don't stop there. They can be used in so many other ways. These little red gems are a welcome addition to countless recipes. Whether you're making a quick snack or a gourmet meal, they fit right in. Imagine a dollop of homemade strawberry jam on your morning toast, adding a touch of sweetness to start your day. Or a refreshing strawberry sauce drizzled over pancakes, making your breakfast extra special. Or a decadent strawberry ice cream sundae to satisfy your sweet tooth. The rich flavor of strawberries can transform any dessert. And let's not forget about baked goods. They bring a natural sweetness and vibrant color to your creations. IQF strawberries add a burst of flavor and a touch of sweetness to muffins, making them irresistible. Pies, tarts, and more. The possibilities are endless. From simple treats to elaborate dishes, IQF strawberries are your go-to ingredient for adding that special touch. A vitamin C powerhouse, health benefits on ice. Beyond their delicious taste and culinary versatility, IQF strawberries offer a range of health benefits. These little berries pack a nutritional punch, delivering a concentrated dose of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. One of the most notable benefits of strawberries is their high vitamin C content. Just one serving of IQF strawberries provides a significant portion of your daily recommended intake of this essential nutrient, which supports a healthy immune system and protects against cell damage. Strawberries are also low in calories and fat, making them a guilt-free treat. And because they're naturally sweet, there's no need to add sugar, making them a healthy choice for those watching their sugar intake. Whether you're looking to boost your vitamin C levels, satisfy your sweet tooth, or simply enjoy a healthy and delicious snack, IQF strawberries are a great option. Freshness on demand, convenience in every bag. Let's face it, fresh strawberries are amazing, but their short shelf life can be a real bummer. They spoil quickly and it can be frustrating to see them go to waste. That's where IQF strawberries come to the rescue, offering a convenient way to enjoy your favorite fruit all year round. No more worrying about spoilage or waste. Because they're individually frozen, IQF strawberries are incredibly easy to use. You can take out just what you need without any hassle. No need to thaw the entire bag. Simply scoop out the desired amount and return the rest to the freezer. It's that simple and efficient. Their long shelf life is another major perk. You can keep them for months without worrying about them losing their quality. IQF strawberries can last for months in the freezer without sacrificing flavor or texture. They stay just as delicious as the day you bought them. This means you can stock up on your favorite fruit when it's in season and enjoy it long after the fresh berries have disappeared from the shelves. It's like having a taste of summer all year round. Whether you're prepping a quick breakfast smoothie to kickstart your day, whipping up a batch of muffins for a delicious treat, or just need a healthy snack on the go to keep your energy up, IQF strawberries are a convenient and delicious solution. They fit seamlessly into any meal or snack, making your life easier and tastier. A very good deal, affordable and accessible. In the past, frozen fruit might have had a reputation for being less flavorful or less nutritious than fresh, but thanks to advancements in freezing technology like IQF, that's no longer the case. And the best part, IQF strawberries are often more affordable than fresh, especially out of season. This is because IQF strawberries are picked at the peak of ripeness, when they're at their most flavorful and nutritious. They're then frozen immediately, locking in all that goodness. So not only are you getting a convenient and delicious product, you're also getting great value for your money. IQF strawberries allow you to enjoy the taste of summer even in the dead of winter without breaking the bank. Enjoy strawberries year-round. Thanks, IQF. So there you have it, the journey of the IQF strawberry from farm to freezer. It's a testament to ingenuity and a dedication to delivering the best possible product. Next time you reach for a bag of IQF strawberries, take a moment to appreciate the technology and the process that made it all possible. Thanks to IQF, we can enjoy the sweet, juicy flavor of fresh strawberries any time of year. Whether you're blending them into smoothies, baking them into desserts, or simply snacking on them straight from the bag. IQF strawberries are a delicious and convenient way to get your fruit fix. So go ahead, embrace the convenience, savor the flavor, and enjoy the nutritional benefits of IQF strawberries all year round.